Hello friends, today we are going to do Python. We'll start from topic variables. A variable is a memory location on a computer which can hold any value and can also change over time as needed. To understand it in an easy way, think of it like a box in which you can store a number and later you can replace that number with another number. In simple words, variables are names given to the memory location where your value is stored. The figure below illustrates three variables with their respective values. The three variables used in the figure are name, winner, and score. The variable name holds the value Bob, the variable winner holds the value true, and the variable score holds the value 35. Therefore, whenever the variable name is used in the program, it refers directly to its value Bob. Creating a variable. In Python, variable declaration and initialization happens with a single step of assigning value to a variable. We can also initialize multiple variables in one line. Note, if we change the value of a variable and use it again, the old value is replaced with the new value. Now let's talk about the rules of naming a variable. There are certain rules we need to follow while naming a variable. Some rules are: name of a variable should be meaningful. Only the underscore symbol can be used while naming variables. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Fourth, as Python is a case-sensitive language, variable names are also case-sensitive. For example, small o small l small d old, capital O small d old, and capital old are three different variables. Fifth, a variable name can have numbers within it, but cannot begin with a number. Now we'll talk about case styles in Python. As we have case styles for words in English, we have some case styles to name variables. Below are the case styles you can follow to name variables in Python. First is camel case. A variable name can be written in camel case if it contains two or more distinct words. In camel case, we write the name of the variable as the first word in lowercase and all subsequent words with the first letter capitalized without a space in between. For example, name of the company can be written as name of the company. As this represents the camel's hump, we will call it camel case. Next, what we have is snake case. Snake case is the practice of writing in which each space is replaced by an underscore character and the first letter of each word written in lowercase. For example, name of the company in snake case is written as name underscore of underscore the underscore company. Now we'll talk about comments. It is always a good practice to document your work. In programming, we also document our projects to keep them organized and easily understandable by other programmers. We use comments to add documentation to a Python program. Python ignores these lines of comments in the program during execution as they are not a part of the code. Benefits of using comments. Comments help structure the code and make it easier for humans to read, explain the thought process and intentions behind the code, find errors and debug the code, reuse the code in other applications as well. After all, there is a popular saying, anyone can write the code that a computer can understand. Good programmers write code that humans can understand. In Python, we have two types of comments: single line comment and multi-line comments. Let's talk about them. First, we will talk about single line comments. A single line comment starts with the hash character and is followed by related information. One such example is given to you below. Code and then the output. Using hashtag, the print command print hello world greeting is equal to hello, hashtag defining the greeting, name is equal to Python, hashtag defining the name, print greeting comma name, hello world, hello Python. Multi-line comment. A multi-line comment begins and ends with three single or double quote characters with related information enclosed. One such example is given to you below. There's the code and the output. You can analyze from there. Now we'll talk about assignment operator. The equal to operator is known as assignment operator, also read as is set to. It assigns the value on the right side of the equal to symbol to the variable on the left side. Is equal to in maths versus equal to in Python. There is a difference between the equal we use in maths and the one we use in Python. In mathematics, equal to means to equate the left side with the right side. Right side, it is the sign of equality. In Python, equal symbol is used to set the value of the left side variable to the right side variable. Syntax: variable is equal to value. Hashtag the value is stored in the variable. Variable is equal to variable plus value. Hashtag value is added to existing variable value and stored in the variable. Now we'll talk about assignment statement. A line of the program that tells Python to assign a value to a variable is called an assignment statement. The variable on the left of equal to holds or stores the value on the right. Syntax: variable underscore name is equal to value. Friends, here are some solved examples for you. Example 3.1. Classify the following into either fruit or vegetable and then print all the fruit variables in the first line and vegetable variables in the second line. Mango, potato, onion, banana, spinach, strawberry and capsicum. Output will be fruit, mango, banana and strawberry, and vegetables, potato, onion, spinach and capsicum. For the example, code will be fruit underscore 1 is equal to mango, fruit underscore 2 is equal to banana, fruit underscore 3 is equal to strawberry, and vegetable underscore 1 is equal to potato, vegetable underscore 2 is equal to onion, vegetable underscore 3 is equal to spinach, vegetable underscore 4 is equal to capsicum. Print fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3, fruit 4. Print vegetable, vegetable 1, vegetable 2, vegetable 3, and then vegetable 4. Next we have is example 3.2. We have a 3-digit number. Suppose it is 573. Break the number into 3 variables: unit digit, tens digit and hundredths digit. Display the sum of all the digits as well as build and display the original number using these parts. Output will be sum of digits is equal to 15. Number is 573. Hint: store each digit in a different variable and add them for sum. For finding the number, unit into 1 plus 10 into 10 plus 100 into 100. Answer means the code will be unit is equal to 3, 10 is equal to 7, 100 is equal to 5. Sum of digits is equal to unit plus 10 plus 100. Number is equal to unit into 1 plus 10 into 10 plus 100 into 100. Print sum of digits is equal to sum of digits. Print number is equal to number. Next we have example 3.3. We have two types of printers. Printer 1 can print at a speed of 600 pages per hour. Printer 2 can print at a speed of 400 pages per hour. If printer 1 works for 7 hours and printer 2 works for 10 hours, how many pages do we have at the end from each printer and both combined as well? Output is printer 1 prints 4200 pages and printer 2 prints 4000 pages. Both of them combined print 8200 pages. The code will be, that is the answer will be, speed 1 is equal to 600 hashtag printing speed of first printer speed underscore 2 is equal to 400 hashtag printing speed of second printer third hours 1 is equal to 7 hashtag hours first printer will print for hours underscore 2 is equal to 10 hashtag hours second printer will print for total pages is equal to speed underscore 1 into hours underscore 1 plus speed underscore 2 into hours underscore 2. Printer 1 prints, comma, speed underscore 1 into hours underscore 1, comma, pages. Printer 2 prints, speed 2 into hours 2, comma, pages. Print both of them combined print is equal to total pages is equal to pages. Thank you.